Chapter 2 Classification of Plants. Learning Objective 1. Classification of plants. 2. The structure of trees. 3. Feature of shrubs. 4. Usefulness of herbs. 5. Specification about climbers and creepers. Let me answer why plants are important to us. Have you ever encouraged anyone to grow plants? Living things, plants, trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers, thorny plants, water plants. With branches, branchless. Animals. What are plants? Plants make our world look beautiful. Plants are the living things which make food for themselves. Plants need soil, water, space, air and light to grow. Classification of plants. Plants can be classified as follows. Trees. Trees are huge and tall plants. There are many kinds of trees that grow on land. Example, neem, banyan, mango, etc. Trees are of different shapes, sizes and heights. Trees are source of wood and oxygen. Trees have hard and woody stems called trunks. Some trees have branches but some others do not have. Branchless tree. Most of the trees have branches. However, there are some trees which do not have branches. They are Ashoka tree, papaya tree, coconut tree, etc. Shrubs. Shrubs are woody short plants. Example, rose, jasmine, china rose, etc. These are smaller than trees. They are short but strong plants. The shrubs have stems that divide at ground level. Herbs. Herbs are small and weak plants. Example, grass, mint, coriander, etc. They die after producing seeds. Some herbs are very useful. These are used in cooking, medicine and for drinking. Most of the herbs grow in some particular season. So herbs are called seasonal plants. Climbers. Climbers are weak plants. Example, pea, bean, grapevine, etc. They have long and thin stems. They depend on support to grow and stand erect. They cannot grow straight. They need support to grow straight and erect. Creepers. Creepers are plants with weak and thin stems. Example, cucumber, pumpkin, watermelon, etc. They grow and spread along the ground. Their fruits are big. Some ripened fruits are eaten raw. Example, watermelon, cucumber, etc. Some fruits are used in cooking. Example, pumpkin, gourd, etc. Thorny plants. Some plants have sharp thorns. Such plants are called thorny plants. Example, lemon, rose, cactus, etc. Water plants. Some plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. Stem of these plants sink in water. Leaves and flower parts are above or on the surface of water. Example, lotus and water lily. Facts to know. Lotus is the national flower of India. The tallest trees of the world are redwood trees found in California, USA. Let's recall. 1. Trees are big plants. 2. Trees have strong and woody stems called trunks. 3. Shrubs are short woody plants with stems that spread at ground level. 4. Herbs are flowering plants. Since most of these plants grow in a particular season, they are called seasonal plants. 5. Climbers are plants which require support to grow. 6. Creepers are plants which grow and spread along the ground. They have thin and weak stems. 7. Plants which have thorns are called thorny plants. Word power. Classification and arrangement of organisms in classes or categories. Flowering plants, the plant that gives a flower. Huge, very big, large. Organism, a living plant or animal. Seed, a flowering plants used for reproduction. Stem, the main body or stalk of a plant rising above ground. Trunk, the woody and strong stem of a tree. Train your brain. Cross-curricular connect. 1. Answer the following question in short. A. What are creepers? B. Define climbers. C. Give two examples of seasonal plants. D. What are water plants? 2. Fill up the blanks with suitable words. A. Herbs are dash plants. B. Climbers need dash to grow. C. Trees have dash stems. D. Dash has stems that spread at ground level. E. Dash are the plants which grow along the ground. 3. Answer the following questions. A. What are plants? B. What are trees? Give two examples. C. From where do plants get their food? D. What are herbs? Give two examples. E. What are shrubs? Give two examples. 4. Take the right and cross the wrong statements. A. Plants make their own food. B. All trees are of the same shape, size and height. C. Herbs die after producing seeds. D. Climbers have thin and long stems. E. Creepers have strong stems. 5. Multiple choice question. A. Trees do not require the dash to grow. 1. Soil, 2. Water, 3. Sunlight, 4. Darkness. B. Which is the source not provided by the trees? A. Wood. B. Oxygen. C. Metals. D. Shelter to wildlife. C. What is not required by plants to grow? A. Sunlight. B. Water. C. Moonlight. D. Air. 6. Give one word for each of the following. A. A shrub. B. A creeper. C. A climber. D. A branchless tree. E. A tree with branches. 7. Match the columns. Column A. Column B. A. Ashoka tree. B. China rose. C. Pumpkin. D. Mango. E. Coriander. F. Grapevine. 1. Tree. 2. Creeper. 3. Shrub. 4. Herb. 5. Climber. 6. Branchless tree. Activity time. Draw a picture of a plant and label its part like roots, stem, leaves, flower, etc. Hearts. 1. Name the water plant with bears, our national flower. 2. Sanya has a money plant in her house. Her mother has tied a thread to the tip of the plant and other end of the thread to a higher point. Why? Project time. 1. Collect the samples of the following. 1. Rose plant, flower twig only. 2. Jasmine plant, flower twig only. 3. Eucalyptus tree, leaves only. 4. Mango tree, leaves only. 2. Name the plants that you see around you. Make a list of trees, shrubs, herbs, creepers and climbers in the following table. Serial number, number of plant, tree, herb, shrub, creeper, climber. 3. Find out the regional names of common plants. Example, mint is called pudina, coriander is called dhania, etc. Also make a list as shown. Serial number, name of the plant, regional name.